just see these everywhere. Actually, there's really good ones by the compost station. But these yucca, so I've been talking about them used as mats, and you can see here all the hairs and everything. So these yuccas, what way they would do is they'd cut them into strips, take off the pointy part, soak them and pound them, and then they would be pliable. And then they could use them, and they wove sandals, and they wove mats, and they wove baskets. So they did all of that with these parts of the yucca. These flowers, right now you're getting to see them flower. These are a little wilty, but if you look around, you'll see them everywhere. These, you can use the buds and make a tea and make a drink out of them, and it's kind of sweet and, you know, just a sweet beverage. And then the yucca is also pretty interesting because the roots, you can bake the roots, but the roots of this plant is also called soap root because the yucca root, you can dry it, and then when you wet it, after it's dried, so you dry it out, and then you can either powder it or wet it and lather it, and it makes a lather. So Cheryl will even say she grew up using, and she's used yucca root soap. The contemporary Navajo totally used the yucca soap, so it's called a yucca soap root, right? So that's kind of nice. And then this will also, when it's done, it makes a big fruit, kind of like a squash, and that was steamed and eaten. So right there you get food, tools, soap, tea, one plant, right? And they're everywhere. You'll see they're just totally everywhere.
The tea, do they use for like a medicinal purpose or like a recreational
I think
thing?
that one is just a flavor.
Really?
I don't think that one is recreational. Yeah, I'll talk more about some of the other medicinal plants because there are so many, there's a lot of plant medicines.
Yeah, normally you don't think that they would be like, oh, that tastes good.
Oh, yeah.
Like they seem they did everything for a reason, you know?
Well, isn't tasting good a reason?
Yeah, that's true. That's right.
I mean,
Pleasure's a good excuse for anything.
We have flavored water, right?
Yeah.
You can go get. You can drink water, but you can drink flavored water, right? Yeah.